Hello mga ka-ML dyan, simula naman tayo sa bakbakan na laro nato. Sana po mag-enjoy ka sa video na ito, pa-support na lang din po, salamat. Ako pala core dito, ito pala rotation ko, Repulyo kasi habol ko, kasi adubuhin ko Repulyo na yan pag makuha ko, hahaha. Meron pala bantay ang Repolyo, iwan ko kung ano pake niya sa Repolyo, gusto niya din siguro mag-adubo ng Repolyo, haha.
Target locked. Beta, on the way. I am not human, but something more.
First blood.
I fight where I am told.
Dito pala ka ML super aggressive mga kalaban namin dito, sobrang hirap ako dito magbuhat ng 4 kasi wala kaming tank, pero sige laban lang natin ta.
Thank you.
Dito pala mabigyan ako dito, namali ako desisyon dito haha, pero okay lang napahiya ako sa diwata kong kasama hahaha. Pagkabuhay ko pala mag-blue buff sana ako, kaso nga sa masamang palad, ninakaw na pala sa mage nila, kaya Domer Itso na ako sa turtle.
Synchronization complete. I am not human, but something.
I have slain the turtle.
Bala ko sana bigyan mage nila kaso nakatakas pa sakay sa half moon niya. Dito nagulat ako may dragon lumilipad papunta sa akin, dito na magsimula ang laban.
Absolute loyalty to the Creator.
Request backup.
Recharged. Alpha standing by.
An enemy has been slain.
Dito balak pa sana tumakas yung taong unggoy pero nakita siya ng sa dal-edala kong drone, kaya nabigyan natin siya. Salamat sa drone ko haha.
Has slain an enemy. Tap.
Where I am told.
Okay. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Dito pala nakita ko mga diwata kasama ko ay pinagha-ares ng taong bato, kaya dali-dali akong nagpasikat haha.
By a heart of steel and cold.
Killing spree. Not ready.
Dali-dali namin kinuha ang turtle kasama mga diwata kong kasama.
Sequence.
Dito sana balak ko bigyan suicide bombing nila kaso bigla tumambling nakatakas pa.
I am not human, but something more. I am true.
Nagkita na naman kami ng taong bato, maya ka lang sa akin dalhan kita ng masong haha. Dito pala nakita ko na magkasama ang taong bato at suicide bombing nila, kaya nag-abang ako dito, naka-double kill nga tayo pero sa kasamaang palad bigla dumating taong unggoy at yung half moon kaya nabigyan tayo.
Double kill.
Hard time.
Shut down.
Time to upgrade the system.
We're behind in gold.
Absolute loyalty. The Creator. Are you to me? Beta.
You have slain an enemy.
Time to upgrade the
Has been
system.
slain. Ult is not ready.
Execution.
An enemy enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has slain the turret. Initiate retreat.
Yung expel inner pala namin gusto niya lumabas ng mapa kaso di niya alam paano lumabas ng mapa haha.
Sorry.
Target locked. Beta on the way. Time to upgrade the system.
Killing spree.
No other way than the Alpha way.
Shut down. You destroyed the turret. Double kill. Ult is not ready.
I am the true model number one. Motion synchronization complete.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Dito pala nakita ko mga kalaban papunta sa mga diwata kaya binantayin ko muna, at dito taw na kami ni Ek. Panoorin muna na lang video na ito hanggang dulo. If kung nag-enjoy ka sa video na ito pa-like at share naman, salamat.
Our turret has been destroyed. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac. Our turret has been destroyed.
Recharge. Alpha standing by.
An ally has slain Lord.
I fight where I am told.
Legendary. Launch attack. Double kill. Initiate retreat. Legendary. Launch attack. Your team destroyed the turret.
Absolute loyalty to the creator.
Legendary. Shut down. Launch.
Nice pala sa kakampi ko at sa kalaban namin, see you gay na lang.
Ult is not ready. Attack the Lord. Coming. Wait for me. Initiate.
Work in progress. Saber.
Has been slain.
By a heart of steel and code.
Launch attack. Ult is not.
Target locked. Beta on the way. Saber. A clumsy work in progress. Motion
You have
synchronization
slain an enemy.
complete. Recharged. Alpha standing by.
An ally. Initiate retreat. Unstoppable. lanes.
Execution.
You have slain an enemy. I'll take the buff. Clear up lanes.
I fight where I am
Back
good.
up. Request backup.
Recharged. Alpha, standing
Not
by.
ready. Request backup.
Steel.
Ang galing pala objective ng kalaban namin, pero si Derat ang bida namin dito haha.
An enemy has been slain. Defeat.